Thomas Alva Edison once made a very nice statement. He said, genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. We may have an inspiration in our heart, that 1% strong, burning inferno of an inspiration. But unless that inspiration is put into action, dedicated, committed, hard work, that 99% perspiration, we are not going to be able to achieve what we want to achieve. And so also, when we talk about dealing with our bad habits, success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. We need that inspiration, but based on the foundation of that inspiration, we have to put in dedicated, committed, hard work. That 99% perspiration. What's amazing is that 99% perspiration is based on the foundation of that 1% inspiration. Imagine if you're very inspired to change, if you're very inspired to give up some of your bad habits, but you don't put that hard work, that 99% perspiration, what good is that inspiration? Or imagine if you keep putting 99% of perspiration, that hard work, that effort, that dedicated commitment, but if you don't have that inspiration to do it in the right direction and sustain it and get it a higher shelf life, what good is that hard work and perspiration? Therefore, success comes by a balance of the two. Inspiration, which acts as the foundation, and perspiration, which acts as the building blocks to build upon that foundation. Action without vision is a nightmare. If you simply keep acting without having the right vision, the result is a nightmare. And it said, vision without action is a daydream. If you simply have a vision and you don't act upon it, all you have as a result is a daydream. I have rephrased it for our discussion here today. Perspiration without inspiration is a nightmare. But inspiration without perspiration is a daydream. And therefore I think we need to have both. I was talking about how we can get so distracted by Facebook. Yeah, technology is no problem. Facebook is no problem. Smartphones are no problem. So long as we use them in moderation. So long as we use technology and we don't get used by technology, we don't get victimized by technology. Technology is great. And so long as we use the technology, whether it's social media, whether it's our smartphones, our laptops, gadgets, whatever it might be, when we use it for constructive purposes, for our own lives, for the lives of others, and for the world at large, in a way that we can make it a better place.